Hello, superstars! Are you excited to learn today? Let's get started! G is for giraffe. Giraffe. Can you say it with me? Giraffe. G is for guitar. Guitar. Repeat after me. Guitar. G is for galaxy. Galaxy. Let's say it together. Galaxy. G is for garbage. Garbage. Come on, let's say it together. Garbage. G is for grandmother. Grandmother. Great job. Let's say it one more time together. Grandmother. G is for government. Government. Can you say it with me? Government.
Fantastic work! You're getting better every day. Now, let's revisit the words to make sure they stick. What is this?
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Can you say what this is?
Guitar. Guitar.
Can you say it?
Galaxy. Galaxy.
What's this one?
Garbage. Garbage.
And this?
Grandmother. Grandmother.
And finally,
Government. Government.
you've made so much progress. I'm proud of you. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.